Please uploading. The next thing you can see is it has completely uploaded. The next thing is to click create new gallery. We just click create new gallery. You click insert gallery, and then you can see the pictures coming up here. You can see students oh, student off. We should change that to student at TBS. Okay, change that to student at TBS, and then you just click updates. I think that's all. That's all. For this one, I can see the one is showing as student. I don't know if there's anything inside it. Students. Okay, that one. We should change this one to VS, student VS. You click updates. That corrects that. So student VS. Okay,